wrapping this trailer up today. We started on yesterday, getting the brakes in, and we're going to pull the wheels off the back, and we are going to pack the bearings back there as well. That's the hubs that came off the front, and if the back looked like the front, they definitely need to be repacked, but the bearings look good. I got the D-rings installed around here, same place all the way down and around. We got the wall installed. We've got where your ratchet straps come through the side wall, where you don't have to go over here. This will actually come through, and you can hook it up on the D-ring and then pull it back out. I don't want to do it with hand, but you get that idea, right? We got our new latches, our new door locks in. We made these here in the shop. A lot better. Nothing bind up or overhang into the bed of the trailer where you flatten the tire on the side by side or four wheel or knock your shin or calf on it. A lot safer, just a lot better. We got some handles on the gate now, as you can see. We added those. Before there were no handles, and you would have to actually grab the angle, which wasn't as convenient or easy to lift and close by yourself. Now it is. And we got the same thing over here with your D-rings, multiple points all the way around. And you notice how we did this? That's to keep that expanded metal or mesh from fraying or tearing your straps. And again, we did this all the way around in multiple points. We got one in the front to winch to. And again, running those electric brakes. And we'll paint it this afternoon. Oh, we redid the spare tire too, man. What came with it was not made for this angle rail. So we came in, put some actual studs in here, as you can see, which match the 1/2-inch lugs or studs on the wheels and tires. And we came in and reinforced it with that 2x2 by 4 wall square tubing. So now it's all nice and straight. Before, this was cockeyed. This was cockeyed leaning at a 45. It looked like crap. And your spare tire stuck out way past your fenders. We kind of leveled it all out. We'll be painting later on the day and getting back to the customer tomorrow. Be about a two-day job on all this. And we're going to repaint everything as well. Put some Rust-Oleum industrial paint on here. It's going to be a lot better paint. Less likely to do that on this trailer. I don't even think this trailer is a year old. And then we've got a breakaway box, a 12-volt breakaway box that we're mounting right there, which we'll fabricate a mount for that as well, for the electric brakes. So we have all new wiring, and this thing's gonna turn like a whole new trailer when it gets it back, with that big side-by-side Defender Max on the back, and loaded down with deer corn and ice chest. See ya.